Today I'm in Bangkok and I will be showing you some of Thailand's favorite food and flowers. Hello, I'm Phil Ernest in downtown Chinatown in Bangkok and the Flower District, and looking at all the flowers that they have around here. Three very important flowers in Thailand are the Mexican marigold, lotus, and jasmine. It is those three flowers that play a major role in Thailand's religious ceremonies. These are the Mexican marigolds. I'd be willing to bet they have more Mexican marigolds in Thailand than they do in Mexico. If you're finding this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit that logo on the lower right-hand corner of the screen to subscribe to the channel. In Thailand, they always have some type of religious ceremony going on, so this is a 7-day-a-week job, 365 days of the year. Right now, they're gearing up for the Thai New Year in mid-April. Check out the creative artwork they've done here with the Mexican marigold, flattening them out and putting them as decoration on the ceiling. If you're wondering prices, this is like 10 baht for a bag, which in US money would be about like 30 cents. 15 baht is 50 cents. Look at that. This is the Marigold District of the shop. What these ladies are doing is putting together little flower arrangements of the Mexican marigolds. And people will come by and buy these and take them to the Buddha for the religious ceremonies. These little things go for 15 Thai baht right here, as you can see, which is equivalent to about 50 US cents. These are orchids right here, the purple flowers. And the little white ones to the far right, those are jasmine. So this lady is essentially doing the same thing, but with the orchid. This job is very detailed. Notice how she has a wire and she puts in one orchid, and then she'll grab a jasmine and put that in there and then make these little flower circle arrangements. And here's some more orchids. Here are some more orchids. As you can see, they come like this, and then they'll take them apart if needed to make the neat little arrangements with. And those are orchids, and this is jasmine right here. Look at that. All of those packaged up, ready to be put in some neat arrangements like this right here. These ladies have already finished assembling those. They package them up and ready to be sold. All of these flowers are getting ready for the big religious celebration for the Thai New Year, happening right now in mid-April. And now we've come to the third most important flower in the Thai celebration, the lotus. This is what a lotus looks like just before it blooms, right here. And these up here are green. They will remain green. This is their actual color. They're already packaged up and ready to go. Check all the lotus out. Wow. Check out this lotus. This is absolutely fantastic. It looks like a sunny side up egg in the middle of your... And these flower arrangements are made from jasmine. Notice the detail work on these. And these ladies are packaging up little food that people will buy and take to the religious celebration. These are for the Hindu celebration. And this is the jasmine. Look how they're just dumping it in here, kind of like popcorn going into the basket. And some of these little shops have their own little watchdogs. Check out this little guy right here. They got everything weighed out, scaled. Look at that. Wow. Making these things right here. She's assembling each one of these by making the stick, wrapping it around, and that's how she does it, just like that. Wow, nice. When it's complete, it will look like this. Jasmine with Mexican marigolds. And they even have time to eat while they're making their flowers. Check this out, a guy riding a motorbike right in the middle of the flower market. Anything can happen in Thailand. So these are the things that he has over here. See these?
Yes.
So he's preparing them by this. That's what is that? A palm tree?
It's one palm tree.
Oh. So he's cutting them out skillfully and then putting them in packages like this for the Buddha. Very nice. Sugar cane and a little banana. Religious stuff pre-packed up. Take it to the Buddha. The monk will eat. And when they take the food to the Buddha, this is how they will display it. This is banana leaf, and what they use this for is food preparation or food presentation, as in putting a pad thai on top of it if you order it at a restaurant, or wrapping up some food inside of it and cooking it. Check out some of Thailand's tiniest desserts. Wow, the Chinese writing on this one. Look at these little eggs. Unbelievable, miniature little eggs. And they come from those eggs right over there that have been covered up. The egg of a quail. Right there. And there's the treats right there. Bananas with the skin, and without grilled. So these are grilled bananas right here, what you're looking at. And more treats. And here's these little miniature tacos. They're sweet with a little cinnamon taste to them. And look at this, plentiful. I gotta tell you, I had some of these the other day. Pork already, look at this pork, how big it is. It's not just the skin, it's actually the meat itself, right there as you can see. And just when I thought I'd seen everything, look at this, a stick right through the egg here. Unreal, look at that. Right through the hard-boiled egg, they put a stick and make an egg kebab. Never heard of such a thing. These sweets represent golden color used in the religion for an offering. Check this out. And this was that sweet we took a look at earlier.
Yeah.
There's that same sweet we saw earlier used for celebration. These are puff balls and meatballs right here ready to go. Notice the color of this dessert. The rich orange color is made from duck egg yolk. It is their favorite color for Buddhism. If you would like to see my other videos on Thailand, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.